Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will explain the QGIS interface in details. So the first thing you have to do is to download the software. So you can go to download QGIS and click on this link, download. So once you click on this link, you will be brought here. Then you skip and you click on here to download the long time release. Once you click on it, you will download. I've already downloaded, and the next thing is to install. Simply double click on this file. Then once you double click on this file, you'll be able to install it properly. So after installing, the next thing is to locate your software. So you can simply browse for your software by typing in QGIS. Then you can open it up. So this is going to be the latest QGIS software. Then you might have more higher version in future. So this is how your QGIS interface is going to look like for the first time. If you are just opening it up, you have a news. Then the first thing you have to do is to click on new project. So once you have a new project, you can save the project. Let's save the project. You can save the project and you can save it to any of your folder. QGIS. Then you can have it saved. If you can see here at the top here, you have the name of the project you are working on. There we have different sections within this interface, the QGIS interface. We have the project menu. This is the project menu. We have the edit menu. We have the view menu. We have the layer menu. We have the setting. We have the plugin. We have the vector. This is when you're working with the vector data. Then we have the raster data. This is when you're working with raster data. Then we have the database, the web, the mesh, the processing tools. These are tools. Then we have the help to check the version of your QGIS. Then this is example of panel. We have the browser panel. We have the layer panel. Then this is example of toolbox. To view any panel or toolbox, simply go to view. Once you go to the view menu, you see panel. To add more panel, you can check or uncheck more panel. You can add more toolbar. Then you can also click to toggle to full mode. So this is when you have it in full mode. Then this is the status bar. This is showing your coordinates, the scale of the map or the section of the map. You can adjust this. You can do any of the thing you want to do here. Then we have also, this is a form of shortcut in QGIS, which are toolbox. So we can easily create a new project here, open a new project, save a new project, or save it. You can also open a raster data or any data using this open data source toolbox. You can simply click here and you can navigate through your software. So this is a quick QGIS interface explanation.